आदाब व सलाम अर्ज़ है आप सबकी खिदमत में। मेरा नाम अरीज सईद है। मैं कश्मीर श्रीनगर से हूँ। मैं अल्फ़ा इंटरनेशनल के साथ जुड़ी हूँ पिछले 2 साल से। आई एम वर्किंग देयर एज प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर एज अ फील्ड वर्कर। Ladisha has actually been the traditional folk ballad of Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir. Initially, only elderly men used to do it. This art form talks about the issues, the social issues, the political issues, the socio-political issues, the economic issues, anything that's going on in your surrounding, anything about which you need to get masses opinionated or you need to make them aware. लेकिन जो इसका अंदाज़ बयां है, that is the thing that makes it unique. So that was about the Ladisha and मुझसे पहले किसी फीमेल ने ये इसमें अपना हाथ नहीं आजमाया था. That's why I'm known as the first female Ladisha. Whenever I have talked to students, because mostly we have interacted with students during this project, जब भी हमारी students से interaction हुई है after this art form, they have always been very eagerly waiting for my Ladishas, because it like I said, it fascinates you, the deliverance and the way it is being presented, it is being written, and the way issue is being talked in this. So I'll be narrating a Ladisha about education, and after that I'll try to give you a little bit of the central idea about what I was talking in my Ladisha. We are only, what I have tried to talk through this Ladisha was that हम सिर्फ इस पे आज फोकस्ड हैं कि एक के बाद एक डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट हैज़ बिकम द इम्पोर्टेंस टुडे, बट व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग थ्रू आउट दैट जर्नी, that is not the concern of neither the child, neither the student, neither the parent, neither the teacher. And then in the later part of the Ladisha, I have tried to request the teachers that it is at the end of the day, teaching is the noble profession, because it's the teacher with whom the student spends most of the time. Now coming to the satire and the humor part, I don't think I'll be able to do justice with that in the translation part, because like I said, Kashmiri language has this quality. When you try to taunt someone, when you try to taunt something, when you try to be satirical about an issue, it automatically sounds humorous. Assalamu alaikum Ladisha aao, Assalamu alaikum Ladisha aao, Ostado buziu samyuan kalam, Ostado buziu samyuan kalam, Education's petchu az saval, Education's petchu az saval, Dappan has parun chu marun asan, Dappan has parun chu marun asan, Kamart kot kunnui karun asan, Kamart kot kunnui karun asan, Number छ phoiten maz annain asan, Number छ phoiten maz annain asan, Yemisn number su gupun basan, Yemisn number su gupun basan, Degree ak ekis pet khölith asan, Degree ak ekis pet khölith asan, मगर तथवा जन की हीन आसान, मगर तथवा जन की हीन आसान, मुअल मोश्ती छिक पत मिठाई छकान, मुअल मोश्ती छिक पत मिठाई छकान, तवै छु लडीशा अर्ज करान, तवै छु लडीशा अर्ज करान, Mea basa parun go pan garun, Mea basa parun go pan garun, Ökıl chu suyemis taige hechun, Ökıl chu suyemis taige hechun, Number t beyni kihin, Number t beyni kihin, Numero siti hăsil Ivan Tălim. Numero siti hăsil Ivan Tălim. Bachasti fikir pat yitsi asan. Bachasti fikir pat yitsi asan. Examas ratan sufan karan. Examas ratan sufan karan. Chukpat tat gotasti panniți henan. Chukpat tat gotasti panniți henan. Ostadou toiçuyi farz asan. Ostadou toiçuyi farz asan. Tu hiçu samajas heçnavan. Tu hiçu samajas heçnavan. Tuhndui boys bachit mual moști. Tuhndui boys bachit mual moști. Teli întău amle maz yim kathz. Teli întău amle maz yim kathz. Yutsias kathat laddi shadrav. Thank you once again, and I'm again grateful to you all that you gave me chance to get connected with you, and I'm glad that I could be part of the event, though I'm not physically here, but thank you so much.